Okay, so this is a smart lock. It comes with this and the smart key. We need to put the power in, I think. The rod, screws, the lock, and more screws. Alright, we're gonna try to see if we can put it together. We turn this on and then we're gonna go to Tuya Smart and it sees this discovering device, the key right away. So we're gonna add. Done. So Bluetooth Smart, the battery level is 12. Fingerprint. Add fingerprint. So we're gonna hold it exactly like that. Done. Okay. So now I have mine. So we're gonna add password. So let's do this. Okay, what else can we set up? Voice unlock. Okay, so after we test it, we can feel that it's rotating and rotating and rotating. So this side is working. Okay, so we need to remove the screws and we're gonna need to put 4 batteries in here. So it needed 3 or 4 AAA battery, and we need to connect to this one here and using this to plug it there. Okay, so now it's done. Gonna open. Now you can open. Very nice. You can also use a code. Very nice. Okay, so now we're gonna use the Bluetooth. Hold it. It's unlocking. It's very nice. Bluetooth again. It's working.